Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and today we're doing another outfit video, but instead this time it's not for Ariana Grande. It's for a miraculous ladybug outfits from my favorite characters. First we have Cat Noir, because tell me why I think he's honestly like the best character in the show. Then we have Ladybug, and of course we have Queen Bee. I don't know why she's one of my favorites, but she's just really interesting. So we're going to start with Cat Noir. So since he's a boy, we gotta take off all this stuff and look in the boy category and get a boy body. Which is a lot of work. Then we gotta get his hair, which is honestly kind of easy. He's pretty much just normal hair, honestly. Dude, that's literally already perfect. It already works. So, actually, I kind of like this one more. Yeah, I like this. Yeah, that's good. And now we have to go to boy outfits for a black. Actually, I wonder. Maybe? I like shirts. Pants? Yeah, they don't have any Cat Noir stuff. So we're gonna have to find it ourselves, I guess. I mean, it won't be too hard considering it's pretty much just black. Just a black outfit, fully black. So, black? Claws out. It's a long sleeve black outfit. Dude, this almost works if there wasn't green pants, dude. Yeah! Okay, guys, we have to change the face, that's for sure. Okay, hang on. Let's see. He has green eyes and a smile. So, get green eyes. Ooh. Pretty much any of these could work. But honestly, I wish they had a cat, actual cat. Oh, they have a Cat Noir face. That makes my job a lot easier. Ooh. This is honestly perfect. Cat ears. Oops. Oh, and he has gloves. Arms. Hopefully these work. Yeah, they do. Here we go. And then cat ears, which is perfect because I have nocturnal kitty ears, so let's color them all black. Guys, they're Cat Noir! Ah! We're literally Cat Noir right now. Yes! I love Cat Noir, honestly. He's my dream man. JK. But honestly, though, this is really cool. This is, awesome. Take screenshot. Yay! We got it. Okay. Next is Ladybug. So, hers is... Now we have to change back to a girl body. Oh, this door open. Close it. Okay. She does not have glove. Well, actually, I think she might. Does she? Yeah, she does actually, but we'll get to that later. Outfit. I wonder if they have an ladybug costume. They do. Why is this game making it so easy for me? I love it. Now we need buns for her hair. Ooh, those kind of work. That kind of works too. Or that, even. Those. Yes. Perfect. This blue isn't really dark blue. And, well, she has dark blue. Yeah! Okay. Now I go to girls. And she has blue eyes. Oh. Blue eyes. Ooh, yes. Okay, face. Face. Now looking red. There isn't a red? What? It's gonna be hard. No. Actually, customize. Get blue eyes. Custom marks. Do they have normal ladybug? Like, this is black, but we need a red and black. Oh, here. We can search up. Lady. Bug? This is the only one I got? Why? Why is it anti-bug instead? Okay. Fine then. We'll find our own. Ladybug. But her lips are not like this. This game is irritating me now. Okay. So, I guess the gloves. I hate this face, guys. I don't like this. Do I need anything else? No, I don't. Wow, guys. That's done. Okay, I'm a fangirl right now of Miraculous Ladybug. But not even Ladybug, more like Cat Noir. I like Cat Noir more than Ladybug. If y'all watch the show, comment down below. Do you guys also think that Ladybug is too, or Cat Noir is too good for Ladybug? I do. Because Cat Noir is just so sweet and everything. And all Ladybug does is just reject him. Like, why? He's so nice and sweet. Like, he actually sees, like, the good in people. Okay, next we have Queen Bee. An icon, you know. A legend. She is the moment. Queen Bee. Bee. Guys, this one is probably going to be the least accurate because you can't really do much for her because they don't really have an outfit made for you for that. And she's really hard to make. So, yeah, hers is probably going to be the least accurate. So, yeah. It's kind of sad, though, because I really like making her outfit. She should have a crown on, shouldn't she, though? I mean, she's Queen Bee. You would think she'd have a crown on. Yay! Okay, but honestly, let's be real. Queen Bee is not a nice person, really. I guess the fact that she's a superhero kind of makes her nice, but, like... Ooh, that's kind of cute, though. We need eyebrows. Should I, like... Really? I can't even add eyebrows. Oh. What else does she have? She has black gloves. Is there anything else? No, this is it. Screenshot. Woo, guys. Okay, guys. This is the part 2 of creating icons, outfits, guys. And I really hope you guys all enjoyed this video, because I sure enjoyed making it. And it was really fun to do. And I hope you guys enjoyed. Bye. Oh, also, like if you want a part 3.